Everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Canfield Farmer. Today we're going to be doing all kinds of work. We're going to be doing some tiling, doing some more work back here at the farm, so let's get started. This 726 John Deere field finisher, it's got this hitch on it. This is the hammer strap, but we want a single strap hitch in there, so we're going to take this one off, and then I'll show you the other one. John, it's a heavy hitch. Here it is right there. So that one's gonna be going on. The reason we're doing this is because it's less wear on the hitch, and as you're like going through waterways and everything, it like if you had like a hammer strap hitch on the attachment, not the tractor, then it's just more wear and it's gonna egg shape the holes, and just it's not something you don't want happening. So that's why we're doing this. Rented excavator right there. Alright, so it's pretty windy out, so right here behind us we're trying to figure out a tile plug, and we got a rented Bobcat excavator, and pretty pleased with it. It's very nice. I've gotten to drive it a little bit, not very much, but it's actually probably one of the best excavators I've ever seen. Well, best little ones. Just a beauty. That thing is very small, but it's very handy. It's working out great. Going to dig another trench. There it is. It's digging a trench. There he is, right there. It's gonna dump it right there. Back around, you dig it again. Oh, isn't that just cool? And then they turn it back around, and he dumps it over there. And he's gonna keep repeating the same thing 10 times. I don't know how many times, but just several times. Cool, isn't it? It's really cool. Oh, it's pretty cool. And soil. The greatest oil in history. Yeah, I love their products. I'll get serious now. It looks like they don't actually need my help at the moment, so I'm gonna go just check on a few other things back at the farm. Don't see those every day, but quite a few days. Kitty. Recognize this kitty from the end of that other video I made? Yep, she's stretching out. She's not overly fond of people coming up to her, but sometimes she'll let you do it. Come here. So I'm currently driving the skid loader to our next location, and this is actually my second or third time driving it because I never really run it much because I never really need to, but now I am. Alright, so it is Sunday afternoon and it's a very nice day out, so it's time to just get here outside. Because tomorrow we gotta plant oats. So first we're gonna start off by, this thing is almost ready. We just gotta, I put the hitch on yesterday. It's a single hitch. It's not a hammer strap, because that way there'll be less wear on the holes that the bolts go through. So yeah. But there's one other thing that needs to be fixed. So we got a new, but we welded it. Turns out the weld isn't going to be the greatest, so we decided we might as well just buy a new piece. So we got a new one, and this piece has also been replaced this year. But now we're going to replace this piece right here. And when it bent, and it went cracked, it bent this piece. So I'm going to take this piece off. I'm going to go put it in like a vise or a press, whatever, and bend it back. So let's start off by taking this bent piece off. All right, so right here behind me, I got the new piece. It's brand new. There you go. So we're gonna put it on the field finisher. As you can see, it's bent, so we're gonna go fix it. Got it straight. It's as straight as I can get it, but it'll work. And it is done. I'll put that together. That piece is straight. Looks good. Here there's a leak on the thing. It literally blew oil everywhere, and found it right there. So we're gonna get this hose replaced. Not a pretty sight. Oil absorbent. There's our scoop in here, I think. Get some more. Ugh. There we go. Well absorbent. Probably gonna need more than that, but let's go dump it. Here's what happened. We're gonna take the clamps off so you can take the hose off. I know this is a mess, but it'll get pressure washed later this year, so we'll get it fixed. We're gonna get a new hose made today so we can get this thing back in order and get it back out in the field. I don't remember there's getting a ratchet we need, so there he goes. Awesome. We're out here in the oat field today. Oh, not the oat field, but it's gonna be the oat field. Got this tractor with hay rack with seed bags, and over here got the grain drill right behind me. We're gonna put oats in there, and they're gonna go in that field back there. It's gonna be good. She just looked pretty. Tuesday evening. I'm here in the 333D John Deere skid loader and hauling it back, well, driving it back up to the other end of the field. Gotta throw away this junk tile and put these rocks where they belong. It's raining, so we're gonna pull the stuff back in for the night. It is currently Wednesday.
gotta shut this door. Too much rain's coming out.
So I decided we can end our video off with this. This is our Farmall 560. It's a 1962, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's right. And my grandpa nicknamed it Bertha. Good tractor. Today he was doing a drag harrowing job, and my brother was doing it, and towards the end he was like had a little bit left of the field left to do, and the thing just got covered in mud. It was terrible rain. I got hit with it, but just so you guys know what a really muddy tractor looks like. Like for these open stations, it's on the seat, but it's not a little power wash you can wash out, but it's just a good way to end the video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button at the same time, and just keep watching my older videos, and I'll be putting out more content like this in the future. Thank you.